How cool would it be if your TV just appeared from nowhere? So today's project is to make a remote control TV lift. It comes up with a push of a button. Hey, I'm Bob. I run a YouTube channel called I Like to Make Stuff, and I make all sorts of different projects from simple DIY to big, unique custom pieces. I love new technology, and when vehicles like this have all the bells and whistles. This Ford F-150 comes with a remote tailgate release. Check this out. It comes down with a push of a button. So how can I take that same idea and make a DIY project on the inside of the house? I love taking stuff that we use in our house every single day and using some sort of remote control to make it even better. So today's project is to make a remote control TV lift so you can hide it away when you're not using it. I've got all the tools laid out that you're going to need to make this happen. We've got a circular saw and a drill, a long straight edge like a 4-foot level, a flat screen TV, and a long piano hinge. Of course, you also need the remote control TV lift. The first step is to prep the inside of the cabinet so that you have enough room to put in the lift and the TV. That means you have to take out any shelves or anything else that might be in the way. I'm going to take the top off so that we can cut it in half. Basically, the back half of it needs to hinge up so the TV can come out. I clamp down a straight edge to make sure that I get a straight cut all the way across, and I'm doing it right in the middle of the board. To get the top to open when you have the TV come out, you want to add some hinges. And you could use individual hinges, but it might be kind of hard to get them to line up. This is called a piano or a continuous hinge. You just drop it in place. Got the hinge on the back piece, and now I've set it in place. Just got to screw it to the cabinet. Most of the lifts have to be attached to the bottom and to the back of the cabinet, so keep that in mind. The kit for the lift should come with a couple of hangers that mount to the back of the TV. You'll put those on with just a couple of screws, and then the TV should be able to sit right on top of the lift. And then make sure to plug in the TV and the lift. Now I've got the TV and the lift installed in the cabinet, so I'm going to press this button. We'll see if it works. Just like the remote tailgate release in the F-150, we've got a TV that comes up and down with the push of a button.